Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, and we have a beautiful new color to show you guys today. We are doing the Bonita Blue Performance Series, and this is kind of a special color because it's one of the only Performance Series colors that actually has a subtle color shifting effect to it. Super excited to show you guys what it looks like. Let's jump right into the project. All right, guys, finished up spraying the car, and the Bonita Blue, just like all the other Performance Series colors, is super simple to apply. Now, I cannot wait to get outside to show you what this car looks like because, like I said in the beginning, the Bonita Blue is one of the only Performance Series colors that actually has a color shifting effect, meaning you get this beautiful bold blue on the car, but when the sun or the light hits it at the right angle, this awesome green metallic shift comes out to play. It looks so cool. Now, if you want to do your vehicle in Bonita Blue, it's super simple. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the Bonita Blue car kits, and all you have to do is select the size of your vehicle and whether you need a spray gun or not, and it will include everything you need in the kit to get the job done. If you need any help, or if you have any questions, chat with us directly on the website or call in. We love to talk to you guys about the projects that you're working on. Quick note about the video. We did show you some extended spray footage, longer clips of us actually spraying the car in this video. And if you like that, please leave a comment in the section below and let me know so we can show more of that stuff to you in the future. It's Fonzie. Let's go check out the car. I'll see you on the next video.